Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you don't get ripped off in Bali when you're changing money. Now what you do is you go on xc.com, and I checked the rate this morning. It was 9642, that's the Australian dollar rate, 9642 rupiah. So you look at these signs and it says 9999. Now you sort of think, hang on a minute. It says no commission, okay. So you sort of think, well, how can they give you 9999 when the actual official rate's 9642? And then you got to cross the street. You go across the street here, and this is a legitimate money changer, 9540, which is about right. This is in like a hotel. So that's the hotel rate. I got 9550 this morning. So begs the question, how do they do it? And the short answer is they rip you off. They rip you off. They'll try and say, oh yeah, you know, it's only no commission for $100 bills, and if it's not that, then they'll use a special calculator that stuffs up the exchange rate, so they'll rip you off like that. Or they'll slip a 10,000 rupiah where there's instead of 100,000, things like that. So you got to be very wary. Just don't even bother when you see these ones. 9990. Don't even bother. I see things as high as 12,000 for the Australian dollar, which is ridiculous. So at the moment, the Australian dollar is around 9550 exchange rate. You can see over here. So this is like a fairly decent rate. So you're getting about 14,000 US for the US dollar, 14,000 rupiah, around about 9540 for the Aussie dollar, 15,820 for the euro, 16,800 for the Great Britain pound, Japanese yen 13,370, Canadian 10,000, which is quite handy. Very easy to work out your prices from that. So there we go, guys. So hopefully that helped you. I've been coming to Bali for since 1998, pretty much every year, so I know my stuff. Yeah, you'll get ripped off the first, couple of years you'll come here. You're always trying to learn all the scams they've got, but after that, yeah. I always get run over by the motorbikes here. But after that, you sort of learn all the scams and you figure it out pretty easily. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll be doing a lot more tips on Bali, how to get the most out of your holiday. Because as I said, I've been here over 20 times and I pretty much know everything here. So I hope you enjoyed those tips, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.